How to return items on Shein. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily return items on Shein application. So if you have also been using Shein application for buying your products, just like these or jewelries or anything, and for some reason you want to return the products to the required shop because of some reason, maybe probably because of its quality or some other reason. So for that, you just have to simply click on this me option at the bottom right corner, and you'll be seeing this option at these options at my orders section. Here you can see of the screen, and you will see the option called return. So simply tap on it, and from over here just click on all orders. And since I don't have any order, I can't show you, but if in that your case, you will be seeing orders or products over here, and just tap on it and you will be seeing three dot icon or the button where it says to return the object. Just click on return, and from there you will have successfully returned, and you also have to provide some kind of proofs with why the product is wrong and why do you want to return. And once you do that, just click on send, and your product will be returned just like that. After some days, the shop or customer service will provide or contact you regarding this. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.